In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Pinterest desktop email address. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to verify the change so your account uses your updated email. Before we begin, make sure you can access the new email address you want to use since Pinterest will send a verification code there. Start on your computer and go to Pinterest in your web browser, then sign into your account. Once you're on your home feed, look to the top right corner and click the small drop down next to your profile icon. This opens a quick menu with your account options. From that menu, choose Settings. This takes you to your main settings area where all your account details live. On the left side, click Account Management. This section controls important items like your login details and privacy settings. Find the field labeled Email, which is marked as private. This is the email Pinterest uses for sign-in and for sending you account notifications. Click into the email field, delete the old address, and carefully type in your new email. Double-check the spelling. Small typos can prevent the verification email from arriving. When you're confident it's correct, click Save. Pinterest will now prompt you to verify the change by entering a code. They'll send this code to the new email address you just entered. Open a new browser tab and go to your email inbox. If you use Gmail, head to gmail.com. Otherwise, open your preferred email provider. Look for a message from Pinterest containing your verification code. If you don't see it right away, give it a minute, then check your spam or promotions folders just in case. Back on Pinterest, if the email still hasn't arrived or the code expired, click Send New Code to trigger a fresh one. Wait a moment for the new message to land, then copy the latest code. Return to Pinterest and enter the code into the verification box exactly as it appears. When the code is in, click Continue. You should see a confirmation that your email address has been updated successfully. That's it. Your Pinterest account now uses your new email address, and from now on you'll sign in with it and receive all account communications there. If you ever need to update it again, repeat these same steps. Open Settings, go to Account Management, edit the email field, save, and verify with the code. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part of this guide if you want to follow along as you make the change.